Good morning and welcome to Grand Bahia Principe.
Hey, cutie.
Welcome to our room. The key card that they give you at the desk controls the lights, the air conditioning. You have to place the card in order for the key to work. Air conditioning controls air conditioning and lighting. This is the small little foyer as you walk into the room. Front door. As you enter, here is the bathroom. Nice private bathroom. Door. But if you have a spouse or individual that don't like giving you privacy, you will have to share. Separate shower. There's a separate shower. Separate toilet. Here's the sink. And you have a jet tub. Towels, jet tub. I like the fact that everything is separated. Your significant other or spouse or individual could be brushing teeth while you guys are tag teaming and you're in the shower. Moving on. Here's closet space, which reserves a safe. Safe is free. You can use the safe, put your special belongings in there. If you're one of those people that like to unfold and unpack, here's shelves. Give you a lot of space. Next, here's another closet that holds a blanket, 2 extra pillows. If you want to sit your suitcases under here, you can. Sit your suitcases here. Ironing board, hangers, extra pillows and blankets. Space and more space. That there is the closets. Then you have pretty much an ottoman where you can set other things and store other things. You have the television. You have the personal refrigerator where they restock every day. It was some Sprite and other Cokes in there, but we started drinking early. Red Stripe, if you're a beer drinker, you get 2 daily. Bottle of water, which is included in the... Next, for all my women that loves to do makeup, they give you a little small personal vanity. Don't mind the cups. Like I said, we've been drinking already. Maybe a small little personal vanity. For my romantic lovers or anyone that loves ice, they have a ice basket for you. Coffee for anyone who wants coffee. And the bed. This is the bed. Don't mind the bed. We have to, with our OCD, we check our mattresses before we place anything down. Make sure we check for bed bugs and anything else that can harm our trip and us as well. Give you a little clock, which has been 10 minutes fast the whole time we've been here. Gives you a little small laying bed, which is actually very comfy. If you guys order room service, which is not included in the all-inclusive package, there's a small table you guys can eat in. Gives you a small little desk with a drawer, another lamp. This is the balcony. It gives you a double lock for anyone who feels they're not safe enough. Gives you a lock here. Gives you 2 chairs and an ashtray if you are a smoker. This is the balcony. This is our view. At night, right across here, right here, is the nightclub. So if you're a person that really likes to sleep in like peace and quiet, this side of the resort is not for you. This is not the luxury side. That is the beach. They also have the kids club right here where the kids go swimming and play games as well. This is our view from our side of the resort. If you are renting a car, they do have parking. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is the garage for parking. And you have the balcony. You have the coffee table on the inside, the little seating area, the bed, television, a little small vanity, nightstand. Don't forget closet, pillows, safe, and the bathroom. Look, shows every night. Karaoke bar is open until, the disco is open till 2. Then the karaoke bar is open till 1. Getting jerk chicken. We have the jerk chicken man in the water over there. We got jerk chicken behind us. Then we're all set and ready for scuba diving. Yeah, so beautiful. The beach. We're finna go see him shortly, but we're on the inside right now, and we gotta go all the way out there. All the way out there. Look, it's a boat right there. People are already out there. Yeah, seafood rice. Got some jerk chicken. How's the chicken, babe? That's fine. And this shit got hella rum in it. Food rice. Yes, it got mustards. Oh, look at a piece of octopus. They got mussels, oysters, shrimp, of course the octopus. I think I'm a pass on anything that has to do with the sea today. Yeah. Go ahead, girl. Let's see what that Bob Marley. That ain't shit but alcohol in a cup with some color to it, bro. Alcohol. We got jerk lobster with red beans and rice and jerk pineapples. We got jerk shrimp with onions, and everybody know that I love onions. Come on, move back. with the red beans and rice and a jerk pineapple. I don't know if you can see it, but it's from the jerk floating hut. We at the Japanese Thai bag. So they got miso soup, and I got seafood soup. Y'all see my octopus and my mussel and the shrimp. She told me it's a lie.
That's no good, you know. Now I need my money back then. Okay, maybe try next time.
You see us on that Bloomberg brand.
Do that, man.
Hey, cutie. That's a lot of damn stairs, huh?